Good morning, Pathfinder. I am Mia.
And I'm Kamaya.
Today is Wednesday, December 11th, 2024.
And it's a D-Day for all classes.
For lunch today, Choice 1 is crispy chicken sliders, Choice 2 is cheesy meatball sub, and Choice 3 is popcorn chicken ranch wrap.
Please stand with us for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please keep standing for our school mission statement.
We are learners, we are leaders, we are pathfinders.
Today's leadership focus will be leaders on the playground. Pirates, please be safe by keeping your hands and feet to yourself and staying inside the playground area. You can do it. Hey Pirates, tonight are the 2nd and 3rd grade concerts. Have fun.
And now it's time for the joke of the day. Hey Mia, what did the sea monsters eat for lunch?
I don't know, Kamea. What did the sea monsters eat for lunch?
Fish and chips.
Have a great day, Pathfinder.